Okay friends, just open your settings application from the menu. Okay, scroll down, then select settings, then open the settings, then scroll down all the way down. Okay, then you can see option of system update, open it, then cancel, then click on two dots on the top right, select upgrade settings and turn off smart upgrade. You can see here, and turn off it and disable, self disable. Okay, then turn off auto download update packages over Wi-Fi. Also disable that. Now you are safe and your mobile cannot download the software. But actually if you are downloaded, then it will be asked for update. So that's guys, just keep your phone safe. I'm strongly recommending that do not update your phone. Just use it how you get it. Okay, and there is no much more benefit of updating. I know security updates and other features about it, but actually we are giving more than 1 lakh rupees, and if you update it, it is gradually decrease your mobile performance. And always just remember this: a phone manufacturer manufacturing phone, and it will be tuned a best way in first software. Okay, most of the case the first software will be good, and after update it will be keep bugging. So I recommending that never update your phone. Okay, that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.